That's the jerk sauce, and you're good. Let me see when you first set it up, you know. You have to touch and get something.
Nobody did. What's up?
I go on, King. You good?
Are your wife still? You what?
Nah.
Oh. Cause now I see her and I say, yo, where jerk man there? Look a piece.
Oh my God! Wow!
Sharp man.
Good?
Nah, you're good man.
I see him board.
Tie it up in a plastic bag, you're good, brother.
Same board, not buy all the same board, you look like that.
Them probably give you a wrong cover, you know. Ah, you know what? Yeah, give it too much chicken.
You don't get it already. You can't take it back.
Can't lift up the sir.
Yeah, man, you're good, mommy.
You gonna lift here now?
Nah, you're good, mommy. Don't say a word.
Know that you're not.
You never said that. You said love me, they work. That's why no more front.
Yo, no, me broke you up, you know. Yeah, alright, my G.